the finishing touch on your truck with Rough Country's ever-expanding line of bumpers and bull bars. Whether you're looking for increased functionality or better protection, Rough Country has you covered. Keep it simple with the classic look of Rough Country's beefy 3-inch diameter bull bars, or upgrade to our LED bull bar for off-road illumination. Give your truck an aggressive new appearance with Rough Country's heavy-duty front and rear LED bumpers. These all-steel bumpers come loaded with LED lights and aggressive good looks. Add a professional recovery and lighting solution to your vehicle with Rough Country's EXO Winch Mount System. This innovative add-on bolts right over the factory bumper, giving your truck a wealth of new abilities and aggressive good looks. Beef up your Jeep with Rough Country's front and rear bumpers, with handy options like D-rings, LED lighting, rear tire carriers, and more. No matter what look you're after, Rough Country is the place to make your dream build come true. All at a price that won't break the bank.